Hello students, welcome back. I am Aliwi Tosin. Hope your day has been good. Today we're taking a very interesting topic we call statistics. Under statistics, we'll be discussing at length the concept of mean, median, mode of ungrouped data. Take your time to study, take your pen and your writing materials, that's your book. Write and study as we take the topic from the simplest to complex. So please, now let's start. The concept of mean, median, mode, as a senior secondary school student, we would have had one or two experiences as far as that topic is concerned. But this time around, we'll be taking it a little bit further. To start with, what is mode? As it is written, we said mode is what? Is the most occurring item in a given distribution. What I call it? Is the what? Most occurring item in a given distribution. Now, we also say that it is what? It is the item with what? With the highest frequency. Is the item with the what? With the highest frequency. Or probably we say is the most appearing item. We can also say it is the most frequently used item in what? In a given distribution. Now, for example, okay, let's see this. Given that 5324212 are scores of students in a test, the question says what is the what? The modal score. The modal score, like I said, refers to the score that appears most in a given distribution. So on that note, we say that what the modal score here, 5 appears once, we are having 2, 4, 2, 1, 2. The number or the score that appears most here is what? 2. Because it appears what? 3 times. So very simple, we say the mode is equals to what? 2. The mode is equals to 2. Take note, the mode is not the number with the biggest value. It is the item that appears most. So I think that is that for mode. And there are some cases where we could have, there's what we call, we could have two modes. We could have two modes in a distribution. So we call that kind of a situation, we call it the bimodal. Bimodal. Yes. Bimodal, we have the concept of bimodal in a what? Given distribution. Now, let's now take a look at this now. The next one, median. Median. Now, we say median refers to the item which appears in the middle of a given distribution when rearranged either in ascending order or in descending order. What are we saying there? Let's assume distribution. A given distributions are x1, x2, x3, x6. Okay, let's make this one x3. Let's make this x4, and this is what? x5. Okay, x5, I think that is understood. Now 1 2 3 4, and let's make this x2. Now these are the items in a given distribution. let's say, okay, let me make this x7 to start with. Okay, so you're having how many items? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, to determine the mean, the first thing we need to do that is being told is that what you have to either arrange, you rearrange either in ascending order. Ascending order means you arrange from the smallest to the biggest. Descending means you arrange from the biggest to the what? Smallest. Any approach you decide to use is acceptable. So with this now, let's in arranging ascending order. So that means we have to rearrange. You have x1, x2, x3. That means you are rearranging now. You see, in what? In ascending x1, okay, x3, x4, x5, x6, x7. Okay, so we've what? Rearrange. After rearranging, you now need to decide which items falls in the middle of the distribution. Which items fall in the middle of the distribution? So we say okay, you note that this x4 falls in the middle of the word distribution. So we say the median will be what? Will be x4. Now, let's now take an example. Using the example we used here, now let's also find the median. The median score now. Now, to find the median score now of this same data, we say that what? We are having 5, 3, 2, 4, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Something is missing there. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it's complete now. So now with this, now first thing to do what? You arrange. You can decide to arrange from the biggest to the smallest, or from the smallest to the what? Biggest. Now in ascending order now, the smallest one is 1, followed by 2. You still have 2 appearing thrice. You're having 4. Then I think, okay, before 4 we're having 3. Then 5. Okay, so with this now, what will be our median? Then you're having this. You know that what? This falls in the middle. So with this now, our median will be equal to what? Will be equal to 2. Median is 2. So that is how to calculate the median. Now there are some exceptional cases. There are some exceptional cases where you have like 2 numbers as the median. For example, let's say you're having something like, you're having something like 2, 4, 3, 6, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Okay, now this is a given distribution. Are members of a given distribution. Just let's have that, of a given distribution. Now, looking at this now, firstly we have to rearrange. If you rearrange this, we have 2, Okay, we are having 1 first, then 2 appearing twice, then we have 3, we have 4, we have 6. So we say that what this will be equal to. So with this now, we are having this, we are having this, then we are having 2 numbers in the middle. So the 2 numbers are 2 and 3. So we say 3 plus 2, we find the average of it, and that gives us what? 5 over 2, which will be 2 whole number 1 over 5, or we say 1 over 2, sorry, or we say 2.5. So that gives us what? The median. So the message here is that we are having 2 numbers in the middle, 2 items in the middle. After rearranging either in ascending or descending order, you still have your what? You have to do this way, find the average of the 2 what? The 2 items in the middle. So I think that is that for that. That is that for that. But before we conclude this part, let me just chip in something by making us know that what? The mean of the median of a distribution is also given as n plus 1 over 2 position. That's is also telling us the middle. That the item in the middle of distribution also can be related to what? This number, that's n plus 1 over 2, where your n is the summation of the what? The frequency. Summation of what? The frequency. So which means the sum of frequency can also be taken as our n. So in the constituent class, we take questions that we'll be able to apply that. So on that note, I think we've been able to introduce the topic. So in our next class, we take mean, the concept of what? Mean. So I name myself Alewi Tosin. Take your time to study, practice, and expect our home play. Thank you.